If you don't see incoming calls on OPPO Find X9, let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. The first thing that you can do is check if you do not have Do Not Disturb mode enabled. The quickest way to actually check it is by going to Quick Settings or the Control Center. If the DND mode is enabled, there is a chance that you won't see incoming calls. So you might want to, check if it is not enabled. You can also go to Settings of DND mode and, for example, check if there is no schedule created so that you won't be surprised if it re-enables automatically in the future. And besides that, if DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, what we can do is we can pretty much reset the phone app and other phone app related apps. So in this case, we're gonna go to Settings, we're gonna scroll down and choose Apps, and then over here let's go to App Management. We're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we need to show System Apps. Now in here we're gonna use this search bar at the top and we're gonna type phone. You will be able to find multiple different apps, and first we're gonna go to the main phone app. In this case we want to force stop this app. We're gonna go to permissions, and of course you want to make sure that you have these permissions allowed. These are main permissions that are required to be allowed for the app. These two are not really necessary. Besides that, we're gonna go to the storage usage and we want to clear data, just like that. Now, we're gonna go back, we're gonna go to this one, phone call / SMS storage. And over here, open the storage usage, and if possible, clear data. If not, clear cache instead. We're gonna go back after that, go to phone manager is not really necessary, but phone services. And in phone services, you want to open the storage usage as well and clear the data. There we go. We're gonna go back after that, and we're gonna switch from phone to call just to see if there's something else, and there it is. We have call management. And in this case, we want to choose the storage usage again and clear the data. All right. There's also AI call assistant, but I believe it is not really necessary to change or remove something in here. So once we do that, another thing that you should do is open the phone app. And if you open it, you will probably notice that it changed the appearance a little bit. It is now the previous style of the app, and it is because it is the pre-updated version of the app, which will actually change after some time. You can also open the Play Store, for example, and type phone over here in order to try to actually update it. There we go, phone by Google, of course, but usually it's after a couple of tries or after a couple of minutes, it switches back to this new view. Nevertheless, what you want to do is, of course, see if these changes helped. Besides that, remember that you should also try to perform a restart of the device. So try to restart your phone in case you have any issues. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in order to try to solve issues with incoming calls not showing. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.